Your customers should never feel like this.
I came to see about an engine light.
Drop the keys.
Well, this is awkward. It's time to go ahead and make your customer's day. Meet Tekmetric, premium cloud-based auto shop management software that improves customer service and drives repeat business. Before Tekmetric, important information got lost in translation.
Wait. What's wrong with my Wawa?
With Tekmetric, you can build customer profiles, track vehicle histories, and give live updates, all from a single easy-to-use platform. Customers can instantly approve or decline repairs,
Swipe right.
send and receive text,
How's the car? But more importantly, how are you?
and make mobile payments.
I need to speak to your manager to thank them for such great service.
You can depend on Tekmetric the way your customers depend on you. If you're ready to exceed expectations, create confidence, and build trust, click the link, take Tekmetric for a spin, and put your shop into high gear.